Hello everyone, and welcome to One Man Stream. If you just stumbled upon this site, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. You might be asking yourself, what is One Man Stream? One Man Stream is a site designed to help with small streaming production. Our software of choice is vMix, and we use vMix UTC to automate our production. vMix UTC gives you the ability to push just one button and accomplish many different tasks. We do this through scripting and automation. From fading music in and out of a commercial break to graphic animation and overlay automation. If this is your first trip to the site, I will suggest the vMix UTC Basics playlist, where we discuss the many building blocks of UTC, the widgets. Our tutorials include graphic creation and animation, as well as how to leverage the power of vMix with data sources. Also explained is how to use vlookup with an Excel spreadsheet to sort through large amounts of data, like a team roster, for example, to access only the information you need for graphic data population. Thanks for stopping by. Please come back often. New videos are posted each Friday. Please like and subscribe, and thank you.